That's Damani. Okay. We got everything. What do we have, Damani?
We have eggs, milk, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, and we have bread and butter.
What kind of bread?
We have raisin bread.
Okay. Good job.
Yay!
Now I'm ready. Okay, scramble the eggs. Hold your plate, your bowl. Add the sugar. Add the sugar. Milk first. Add your milk first.
Now what?
Add the sugar. Add everything. Add the vanilla. Cap of vanilla. And the cinnamon. Okay. Now mix everything together. Okay.
It's hard.
With the French toast. Okay, get the bread.
Okay.
We're using cinnamon raisin
Bread.
bread. Okay. Put the okay, now we're gonna add the butter. Turn the stove on first. Add the butter inside the pan, the thing. Inside the stove. The skillet. Okay, that's 2 pieces of butter. We're gonna let that melt a little bit.
Look at that light, pretty yellow.
Here, you stand on this side and I stand on the other side because I'm taller. Okay. I need you to look carefully.
Okay.
We're gonna put the bread in there. Just get both sides done good.
Okay.
And follow me with the camera. Then we're gonna take it. That's good. Leave it like that. And we're gonna put it inside the stove, on the stove. Okay, then we're gonna let that cook. Let that cook for a while. And my battery is dead. Jeez. Okay, when it start looking a little brown on the other side, you want to flip it. I've been doing that. I've been doing that for a long time. I got a little chef up in here. Okay, you wanna say when the side get a little golden brown, you know. Okay, we're gonna turn the fire down a little bit. Okay, the first one is done. Okay, now Damani, is your turn. You wanna yeah, put the bread in there. Okay. Then flip it to the other side. Okay. Then I'm gonna help you put it in the pot, the thing. Let some of the stuff drip off of it. Okay, now put it in.
Cooking. Cooking.
Okay, that one is Damani's. The battery is dead. Okay, we're gonna just go ahead and finish cooking the French toast because the batter is almost dead, and then when we get done fixing all the French toast, we'll come back with the ending process when we start cooking.
Now we're done with our French toast, and now we're gonna make our scrambled eggs.
Let me see the French toast close. Okay, good job.
That's yummy.
Okay. Really careful. Okay. Good job. Now we're going to turn the heat up a little bit on it so they can start cooking better. And then we're going to get some cheese. Cheese eggs.
Remember, when you turn the camera back on, I'm going to say, now we're all done with our cheese eggs.
It's already on.
Mama!
That's how you fix cheese eggs. Just like that.
No, it ain't.
Come on. And they're all done. We're going to put them on that plate.
I'm going to put them on my plate.
Okay, that's the end process. We have French toast, cheese eggs, and just microwavable hash browns.
That's it. Bye. Okay, for the topping, we have Eggo buttery syrup, and on top of the French toast, we have powdered sugar.
Damani's having orange juice, and I'm drinking coffee. And there's Kevin over there. Why you look, Kevin?
He says hi.
Acting stuck up, acting funny.
Acting weird.
Guess that's what the teenagers do now. He's under punishment. Maybe that's why he's acting crazy.
Haha.
Okay, now we're going to eat.
Yay!